Bloody cold. But fucking bugs, bastard bugs. Yeah, as much as I do love my hammock, I don't need a 3 metre long hammock. And if I get myself one that's 2.4, the underquilt should fit a lot better. Because otherwise it's going to get damaged. It's that simple. Because I can feel that when I'm in the hammock, it's the underquilt taking a strain, not the hammock itself. I mean, it hasn't broken yet. But it's got these stretchy things on it, so that's alright. Yeah. So I feel when I get back. I don't mind spending an extra bit of money. Did my shirt actually dry in the wind and the rain? Oh, it is. It's dry. It's cold, but it's dry. Okay. That can go down there in the sunlight. It is nice waking up and finding your boots are dry and your socks are dry. Oh, nothing worse than waking up and having to put on wet stuff. Or the bugs. So yeah, see if I can find some twigs that aren't completely saturated. That's the issue. If it's too dry, if it's too dead, it sucks up the moisture more. And there's not a lot of coverage here to actually have dry wood stockpile. Okay, coffee time.